Be Clean Professionals, and this is day 3 here at the hotel. We've done the hallways and the dining area, stairs, all the rooms here, and so now we're working on the tile mast. As you can see, there's a dark line here, so we're gonna see where the rug or the mat was at. We're gonna go ahead and correct that. All right, as you can see, we're prepping the floors now. Just getting the dry debris. The vacuum and the CRB would actually get all this up. But we like to do an extra step just to try to save the maintenance on the machine. So we're just prepping. And then we're gonna lay down the solution. And as you see, we got our wet floor signs down. Time to start filling our solution up. As you can see, we're using hot water as hot as possible for this tile. Our particular cleaner, it can be used with cold water, but hot water is best. And we're gonna be filling this up here and laying down the solution onto the floor. Solution's mixed up already in the tank. Just gonna add some water to it. All right, so we got the machines all hooked up, ready to go. Solutions ready. I wanted to show you this, like the inspection area. This is mainly what the customer's worried about right here. This is some paint, and it's really sticky. You can peel it off with your fingers just by rubbing on it. So we're gonna see if the CRB will get all this up here for us, but if not, we're gonna have to do this by hand and scrape all this up. So hopefully it comes up pretty good. Let's stay tuned and see how we're gonna do. As you can see, it's all along the border, especially over here. All right, so we have the solution down. As you can see, we only did part of the floor. We're only doing this part right here. And as you can see, this is a darker area where people are sitting at. And I'm just gonna scrub this with my foot. Look at the color of that. All right, so CRB is gonna do a way better job, of course, of what the foot would do. And we're just gonna allow this to dwell for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna go over it and suck it right up. Stay tuned. All right, as you can see, it's dark right here. Counter rotating brush, that's what the CRB stands for. As you see, both brushes are spinning. You can see the groove, look at the line in the tile. Alright. Then we want to be sucking it up. The solution next. Difference in the tile there. Difference. Yes, sir. You just want to start extracting it all up. Extracting. right, so we just want to keep you updated here. Looking at the tile from outside here, all of this has been done. This right side in the corner, section right here is not. So you can just see the difference in the color. It's darker over here and it's lighter here. And then there was also a mat that was here for a while, and that rubber from the mat gets transferred onto the tile surface. So we make sure we got that up as well. So there's no color, it all looks the same. So we're gonna do this last section over here on the side. As you can see, that's the color of the tile. That's the color of the tile now. It's like completely clear. All right, stay tuned. Look at the color of the grout. That's it. Watch the color of the grout. Not black. Alright, and there we are, complete with the entire floor. Looks a lot better, 10 times better. There was a light area in here that was lighter because of the mat that was on, but as you can see, there's no areas that you can distinguish that there was a mat down. I'm gonna give you a view from this angle. It's a little different here. You can see the floor is totally brightened up. It's a shadow overcast in the middle there. But these floors are totally clean. All right, stay tuned.